I'll show you guys how to take the left tail light out, and I'll show you how to take the right tail light out. There's two number 8s right here. I went all the way back over there to grab my 8s and didn't bring my 8s. So let's pull this guy off, these little caps right here. Jesus. Really that strong? I guess so. There's two number 8s right here. Pull these guys off. Let's see if this thing will come out. There might be two more in here. These two things. And you take those guys out. And then this thing comes loose, but it feels like there's another clip or screw right in there, so I might have to drop this. This cover come off. This guy on this side, this will come off. We got one screw here. Get this screw out. I don't want to break it, so I just want to pull this off. And if I don't think you need to pull this off, but I'm gonna pull it off anyways, just so I can see the inside of this thing. And if not, we can put this cover back on. This is why we do it first, so you guys don't have to go through all the headache and trouble. Okay. Now, yeah, look, there's another 8 right here. You gotta take that cover off. This cover has to come off. I'll show you guys. Let me unplug this guy here. Take a pick. Now we'll do the other side too. You guys get an idea. Okay. So there's two 8s on the outside. And there's one 8 on the inside over through here. So if you guys pull these off and you guys pull like this, you can snap this right here. Don't do that. It's got this little clip to hold it, but you have to take this all off to get to this last bolt. So we'll put these back. These will be for sale, so if you guys want them, call us.